The number one thing I usually say when people tell me they're not good with technology, I'm not tech savvy, is first I let them know that they've done harder things in life than tech stuff. A lot of them have been in the army, they've overcome relationship battles, they've studied for the bar, they've done harder things. What usually is happening is, for some reason, they're nervous of being visible, and that is telling them all sorts of lies. Telling them, I'm not good, so I shouldn't do it. I don't dance like how other influencers are, or I'm not really good once the camera comes on. So we just lower the bar. The first thing is, how can I just look at social media as a gathering? This is a place where the people who need my solutions are hanging out there. I asked one of my students, if there were 1,000 people at a gathering, and you knew if you talked about your solution in a way that it made people understand, you knew you can get 300 of them to work with you, would you go? And she said, absolutely. Like, that's a no-brainer. I said, well, there's billions of people every day who are on social media. Why not go talk to some of them? Could you get at least 3? Could you get at least 30? And she said, oh, that's a mindset shift. I could start thinking about social media like that. So I asked the next question. Well, will you? Social media is not good or bad. It's a tool. And how we think we need to use it can be the deterrent, right? I'm not going to speak like people who I admire agree with me. I love Byron Golden, but that's not who I am. I love how my Rozier shares words, but that's not who I am. I can learn from them. I can maybe use things that they've used, but you have to use it in a way where the people who need you, they can receive it. And sometimes that's not in a flashy way. Sometimes it's just like putting your phone on in a car. Sometimes it's you just putting your phone on, doing what you do. But if you keep thinking that social media is bad or I need to be perfect to use it, you're gonna wait forever. And the people who you could be helping, they're gonna go get help from somebody who's probably not even as good as you, because you won't show up. So here's a challenge I want you to do. Next 7 days, I want you for the next 7 days to record a 1-minute video. And here's the kicker. You have to finish that 1-minute video in 2 minutes. Which means if you're gonna be a person who's doing a lot of rethink, you gotta finish it in 2 minutes. When those 2 minutes are done, that's it. I want you to post it the same day. So now you record that 1-minute video, you post it the same day. And I want you in the caption to ask a question that people are scared to ask when it comes to your field. Here's one that's in fitness, right? It might sound a little edgy, but when would you like to stop feeling that you're gonna be fat forever? That's a gut punch, but it'll get somebody's attention. Or, a lot of women are doing like burnout coaching and exhaustion. What if the exhaustion is actually your fault? And what will happen if you don't get rid of this? That's a gut punch too. Talk to them and talk to the conversation that they're having in their head, and they'll listen. And then invite them to do some work with you. Keep it simple. Do it. Now here's the thing. Let me know if you're going to do the challenge, because I want to root for you. All right? Here we go.